So this is the first time I've planted sweet potato, so I'm pretty excited to see what kind of yield I'm going to get. And I planted around 3 sweet potatoes here, and this was the original one right there. So I'm going to start digging and see what we come up with here. Oh wow, look how huge that is. That's huge. Maybe this isn't the original one. I don't think so. You have to be really careful too when you remove the sweet potato because the skin is very delicate. And you don't want to bruise them. Well, that's pretty cool. Okay, so I've harvested about 4 sweet potatoes so far, and I have some more right here. That one's a little one. Let's see if I can get some of them are little. That's okay. Yeah, that's a good size one. Look at that. These are really good. But see, it's time to harvest because they're starting to split. So when they say when it starts flowering, you should probably start harvesting. I'll have to show you the flowers. They're really pretty. They remind me of morning glory. Oh gosh. Some more. And then I'm gonna let these cure. Because if you try to eat these right away, they're not going to be sweet. The sugar has to build in them. Okay, so I think that's it for that one. Yeah. Okay, I'll look for the next one. Let me know. So far, this is the vine that I pulled out. And here's all the sweet potatoes that I got. I wants to say hi. And I found one more. So anyhow, oh, I got a grub here. There it is right there. So I started these with just like an organic sweet potato. You know, like how the kids do it in school where they put the sweet potato in water. That's all I did. And then then they grew what they call slips, which is this viney part, and then you just plant it, and then they'll give you sweet potatoes. Let's see if all right, I'm gonna quit filming, and then I'll come back to you when I dig these up. It's too hard to film and do this at the same time. You can see I got another one. It's pretty big. Ooh, sorry, that's my hair. Even though these last a day, they sure are pretty. And out of 2 potato slips, I harvested 14 sweet potatoes. Not bad for a rate of return. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. Take care.